Hi, I'm Christina, and welcome to Yoga with Christina, ChriskaYoga. Today is the 7th and final video of my Yoga for Your Chakras yoga series, and we'll be doing a sequence for the crown chakra. This is located just above the top of your head. To learn more in depth about each chakra, where they're located, and the things that it governs within your body, you can check out my new book that is coming out on February 11th, 2020. It's called Essential Chakra Yoga. It is all about how to balance, heal, and energize the body and mind through the chakras and through yoga specifically designed for each chakra. It includes sequences and poses that are designed to balance and heal your body, and it's a great demystifying guide to the chakras and how to use them to your benefit. So I hope you check it out. The link to pre-order is in the description box below this video. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming yoga classes. So if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and let's get started. Come to standing at the top of your yoga mat with your feet parallel to one another in mountain pose, also known as Tadasana. Bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. Close your eyes. Stand up tall and deepen your breath. Breathing deeply through your nose. Come inward and focus on your crown chakra. This chakra is located just above the top of your head. It is sitting on the top of your head as a crown would. And draw your attention to that area now. Breathing into it, feeling energy radiating out from it, and just remain here. Take one more exhale and release your hands down by your sides, palms facing forward. Slowly open your eyes. From here, we'll take a balancing pose, tree pose, Vrikshasana. Hold your right leg in your hand and turn the leg out from the hip, bringing the bottom of your right foot to your left inner thigh. Once your foot is settled, do not place your foot on your knee. Place your foot either on your thigh or your shin. Once your foot is settled, bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. And if you're able to, raise your arms all the way up, palms facing each other. Hold here and breathe. Gently release your arms and release your foot from your leg. Switch sides, taking the left leg in your hands, turning the leg out from the hip joint, placing the bottom of your foot either on your thigh or your shin. Do not place the foot on your knee. Once you're settled with your legs, bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. And if you're able to, raise your arms all the way up with your palms facing one another. Hold your balance here. Slowly release everything down, and then we'll come into a high lunge on the left, bending the left leg, straightening the right, and reach the arms up. Lunging forward into the left leg, your feet are parallel to one another in this lunge. Hold here. Bring your hands down to your hips. Shift your weight to your left leg. We're going to turn the hips out. So we're keeping that foot where it is. Just turn your body outward. We're taking a half moon pose. So once you're settled, you can use a yoga block here as well. Raise your right leg up, keeping it parallel to the ground. Your toes are pointed forward. Bring your left hand down to the floor or to a yoga block and reach the right arm up to the ceiling. Slowly come back up out of your balancing pose and we'll switch sides. Lunging into the right leg. Keep the left leg straight. Feet are parallel and your arms are reaching up. From here, bring your hands to your hips. Keep the foot of the right foot where it is on the ground and turn your body out from that right hip. We'll take that balancing pose on the right side. So either on a block or on the floor, place your right hand down. Lift your left leg up and keep it parallel to the ground. Foot is flexed, toes are facing forward. Once you're settled there, reach your left arm up towards the ceiling. Reach all your fingers out with energy, palm facing forward. You can look down towards the ground. Hold your balance. Slowly set that left foot down, come back upward, and then make your way to lying flat on your back. Separate your legs apart, relax them completely. Turn your palms up towards the ceiling. Close your eyes, come inward and deepen your breath. Breathing in and out through your nose. Hold here. Bring some slow and gentle motion back into your body, gently moving your limbs. And when you're ready, roll to the right side and rest there with your arm under your head for support. Use your hands to help you press yourself up to a seated cross-legged position, crossing your shins. Flex your feet, bring your hands to your legs, and sit up tall. Take a deep breath in and out through your nose. And bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. Bow your head to your fingertips. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Give me any questions you might have. I always love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new yoga videos coming up. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at ChriskaYoga and my website ChriskaYoga.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.